Aha, I am Madina Ato Forson.
You feel me? You do.
Yawedu.
Aye.
Okay, Yawedu. NDC government about power. 9 months in almost $180 petrol, beans. And one nyama bebre so transport fare, nyama bebre so. Who feel effect no? And I omodi adanku dada we.
Buku muna omuhuni sa. Nekaya ni panifoni bi eba market. Normal be huan ko be hu se na da bi normal dada yen.
Se temu ye buku muna omuhuni sa.
Buku muna omuhu se dollar kofom. Akaka do ye ton 10 cedi no ye gusu ton 10 cedi ye ton ye nteso. Dokro ye bon 7 cedi de sa na ye bono. Emo sa ne ton bibia sa ne ton omo no buku muna omuhu no but oba on the field no dia enema boarding.
My interview Okada Foni almost say petrol in the above form into omo ye year.
Petrol ni dia aba form.
Na say lot of fence umbra.
There be lot of fence dia. Omo tin so no mo sa dey tax eto so. And the driver for nya driver for woto no mbedidi. Wo so what ade ne so. What's the tax den asa aba be shemu ho. Oba na ate so ama.
Ka say tax ben. Wan hwa.
Wo say dia
Di levy ana.
He levy ya de kotua dum so se na be ya dum so ma.
Mo nya yi nate ye. O ma propose dey back afa no mo de beto so.
Omo de ato so de da. Nya fe do mo de beto so. Omo de ato so de da. Driver for etwa de da. Omo twa. Okay. Yeah.
Na market no ye to ade.
So me kasi ye to ade a na me da down. Ene e bia some man to em so akoye se ya bia school ntinum. Ene ma nko.
Pressure wo.
Pressure wo ho se ni nyina akoye books ni akeka kan honi school fees. Enti ye hwe next month. Ye besi. See ye because ye to ade dia na me da down. Ye ba ye to wasa ni asa akeka asesa ye ne ma ne ye ko.
Na matisa abaye fon so tian krofo ha pa.
Abaye fo de. Se no mo ye ma ba ye de. Edani kwam. Sabe mprejasa wasi shedwa ba men hye kwam se ne be ya omo so mbedi dwa no o mbenya kwan ya den atwam akoba bi omoko ba se obe shedwa no dia si kwan frinfrin ne ne obetwam akodi ni dwa wonya kwan de nde omo tean wa ne kwan so ano no be se ne omo nye ni gidigidi se ne first no omo se amanfo ne ma ne de I think se ne omo ye ma ba yi ne de ne kwan so ano no bibia ye okay
openya mo a se wo hwe administration no previous government no anyway aditomu any management no de hinanka ofile se omaya de
one obeka jo say tinafie me ma waduane adi a me ma common no obi nso ka jo say ko school ma common ne wa choose choice sabe mprejasa first we ni padodo an abanda da na ohwe mu school sabe uyi 50 kura ss no beko say yes uyi sen na beko school no uyi 30 kura hwe uti eje unya bi nko
say uyi 50 dey say adwene wo fom
ana me say first no obi yi 50 but okọ ss no wakodi first wo ho me say obi yi 50 40 ya mane ko ss so okọ no wakoyi ade pass ko university
no wa bin
enti wa bin obo ho a eho ne na ankoyi ama no a eho ne be den ebe koyi ama no so what you say ana we propaganda na ekuom ene panifo ka se mbe say oto bobo dan a esa ba wo a so ni akoyi omode aban ba akone fa so a omode ba power no ere na hantu om now so obi ka just ye ntwa de eniema nkoyie mode galamse ene tata ban ba akoyi sa galamse ene hwe ne galamse na ajinsam aye ajinsam you think yes state of emergency we say no de wonti minye they say wo de wo ti aban mo ne de enso ho kwatwe abetima kra enso anu mo ne yen ye wo for me ye beden what you say enti o mo pa bibi nya fa galamse ne ho ne yen timamufo ne ye ho to hwe ba bia me chichi so fa nko besa bosomi ne nsuo maaye ye nam ne ye pensuo ye nya nsuo mpo ene asabi de adware se ye de ba adwuma enti galamse ne de aba we se oba obetima ye yesre no onhwe no ntu ho anamon enya sa atama eshi
openyi your last question ni aban no achicha ochichichi nkrofo yi de na wo faka ho
also me can say be say oto ebo dan ya samba wa so hwe ne mre so onu mampani mahama ne kura ka kire akufo ade say oye o me achim mafia the whole achim fo no so me achim mafia hwe temdidi edi akufo ade o te so wachi obetum
temdidi de bebre
empanifo ka say okoto de na bodwe nyanya nkire de ontwam nko nye odwa no enu no ho twa na temdidi no ho hwe ni ebe ba no so no ane prison o miem
abusia okopiemu ewo Madina market dia na kire se enya asem ketwa so hwe video ya bani umienu ehwe ya we eye Madina media ena kire se okọ Madina market na okọ interview na abusia ye say insuo hwewa kase show nen kasa yeden pampam wo wonu no ho papa now say as a media person na onim say eye dumso level no ya pass ya start year adwuma no that person or say odin adwuma to no as a media personnel. I'm telling you, the man no eye market man no onu krampo nim say the dumso level no eye the level ya to fuel also no 1 cedi on every liter of fuel also no has been implemented that eye adwuma for the past 2 months. And this guy who claimed to be a media personnel no only any idea about it because he has been sent by the NDC to go and do propaganda. He was there talking about dollar. Dollar is now going 13 cedis, and we left it 14 cedis. What you say? Fuel price say at fuel. You are not serious. Fuel on 2 Monday. You didn't hear. But you know in this country when you're too full or more in Tuesday no. So what were he saying? What was the man go anymore say? You see? What was the man go anymore say? A lot of you guys are just misleading people, claiming to be media personnel and misleading people. And I really like the way the man gave it to you. I really like the way he gave it to you. What the hell? Man ne kan sem bi o say book mu ena okwa yesi ne mane yate so na wo ba eye market dia yente hwe so o si book mu de ya tro o say yate so baba market wo de ya apetampe etim de etim 1 cedi kra no yenyim firi so ye. And indeed what he's saying is true. What he is saying no no correct yente hwe so memo bi ntwantro bi ankyerɛw memo bi ntwantro bi anfankyerɛw yente hwe so and that's the honest truth. I'm telling you, that's the honest truth. Things are still expensive in the market. Things are still expensive in the market. You can be deceiving yourself online, claiming Papa. When you get to the market, that is when I will say, indeed, Papa no Aba, and I saw buy. That is when you would know. Say Papa no Aba, and I say on buy, and I feel no Obeba. See, we are in 2025. Don't let anyone mislead you. Sometimes you push just try and do a little bit of research. Monko market, the Monkatamu experience, the pains people are going through before you come out online and say by Papa, whilst things are still expensive. But what I don't even know. Now even know. And I don't maybe I could do. Yeah, unim. And that's why you let people mislead you. Per glue, I'm turn to 2 cedis and the Kufa render and 3 cedis 50 pesos. And in this, I would not share baby out, you know, I dare out on the price, no, a costro. So be can't Robert today and say, Yatini Maso. I want you where? Charlie, some people are so way. I was saying I got on some TV. I'm just so promise the blog. I'm just so young to say now. We share me.